What's up, beautiful people? We are done with back to school shopping. I think probably the fastest, easiest back to school shopping that we have ever done in our entire lives. Huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video and making it such an amazing experience this year. We've been on the road so much, and so this year we just wanted to keep it simple, keep it easy, and Walmart made it super, super easy because I've never done this before, but we went on Walmart.com and they have this, you can search your kid's school and like their grade and their class and all that stuff, and like it will give you a full cart list of all of their school supplies. So we didn't have to go searching, we didn't have to get, and it was actually like the easiest this year. It wasn't like get us 7,000 things of Kleenexes. It was just like super easy, super fast. We just clicked one button, had all their stuff. Some of the kids wanted to pick out their stuff, so we actually did go in, but we did the pickup thing and the guys just loaded it into our car. Seriously, the fastest back to school shopping.
It's like every parent's dream for back to school, especially when you've got a lot of kids. And we have a lot of kids.
Oh my gosh. We're actually gonna link literally everything that we got today in our description box. So make sure you check out that description box. And if you like what you see, you can shop Walmart.com, have it delivered, have it delivered to your house, or you can go do the pickup like we did. Super, super easy at your local store.
So let's show you guys what we got. The kids are really excited to show you a couple of things that they picked out. We did get all the essentials that the teachers wanted, but they did personalize a few as well. All the cool characters, brands, and things that they're like really into right now, and so they were super excited to find all of their favorites. Okay, so who wants to show off their favorite items they picked up? Me! Me too, guys!
They're not excited at all.
What did you find?
So I found a Super Mario.
Dude.
It's a Super Mario.
It's a me! It's a favorite binder!
That's a good impression.
Is that funny? He's got some snacks over
What's
there.
inside there?
And then I have a Super
Yeah, pencil back from Super Mario. That's super cool.
And what kind of backpack did you pick out?
That's Spider-Man backpack.
That is so cool.
Man, you guys know he's a Spidey boy.
Yeah, he is.
So exciting. And a Buzz Lightyear notebook. We're super excited to see the new movie soon, right? We've been wanting to see that movie for a while, but it's been so crazy, and so that is at the top of our list of things we want to see soon.
Also on the back of the Bible.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude.
So he's excited to find some of his favorite items, but I'm really excited because it was super affordable. The 3-ring binder was only $5.98, and the pencil bag was $2.98, and his lunchbox backpack combo was only $16.96. So that is a huge deal right there. And the Buzz Lightyear notebook was only $2.24. So some really great prices on some of their favorite things. And then Leon, what did you pick out?
Obviously, I have to not pass on this Harry Potter stuff. Harry Potter.
Yeah, that bundle was pretty sweet.
Yeah, the whole Harry Potter bundle was only $8.27 to get him 2 notebooks, a folder, and a binder. So
that's like, I'm probably gonna steal that from him though, just because.
What does this say?
The Marauders map.
Marauders
so
map.
like it disappears unless you need it, and then it'll show you
Everybody
that's
to no good.
I solemnly swear.
Yeah, that's funny.
That actually is very fitting for you.
And what kind of backpack did you pick out, Liam?
This
Your
one,
backpack. There it is.
which is sick.
Dude, Reebok.
Digging it.
I've got some matching sneakers with that backpack.
That's cool.
So I may steal it too, actually.
Yeah, I love the green.
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite part.
Is green your favorite color?
Black.
Black. What you got? Black and
Black's my favorite too.
Yeah.
And green's my
I was
second.
like, I'm gonna go for a black backpack, and I saw this, so I was like, I already made my decision, Mom.
Yeah, green and black. And this Reebok backpack was only $28, so that's
That
really
is
great
sweet.
too. That's a really cool backpack. But
Black's a green too.
And then Jude's got this sweet calculator that is bound to help him
I
in
got a
school this year.
Jude's going into high school,
He's only a
guys.
freaking freshman, man.
How are you feeling about starting high school?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
I guess.
I'm kinda scared-ish.
Kind of scared. You're gonna do great.
You're gonna
be
kill
fun.
it. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be exciting. So Jude and Penelope are gonna be over at the high school this year. Liam's still doing online school. He really loved his online teachers, and so did Kira. So they're gonna be sticking with homeschool this year.
Very helpful.
Yeah. You had the nicest math teacher in the whole world, I
She
think.
was so nice.
She was super, super nice. So we're really excited about that. So we're still doing like a split homeschool and public school, and I think all the kids are
Just to
pretty
show how much I love homeschooling now, Math was my least favorite class, and now it's my top favorite.
Dude,
Because you're really good at it.
that's huge, man. That's awesome.
He really is teaching so well. Oh, thank you, Lincoln. Lincoln's going into first grade,
I
guys.
cannot even
That's
believe
really
it.
exciting.
His teacher called me today and I was like, oh my gosh, first grade.
Yeah, he's still doing like a half day, but it's gonna be later. They've extended it like another 2 hours, so it's a little bit shorter than a full day, but he's gonna be going most of the day, so that's a really big step for him.
Ethan gets to have these like over-the-ear headphones this year. They were on his back-to-school list, and literally all the kids are like, hey, why don't I get some of
I
those?
know, we probably will go back and get a few other things because the kids
Yeah.
saw and they're like, oh, I really want some
Yeah.
of those too.
Well, it is the J Labs, and they are super affordable, and so like I was totally down to.
Yeah, I think all the kids can get one this
Yeah,
year. So
for
that'll be
sure.
cool. And of course, our oldest here is already done with school.
That's so insane, dude.
She's a little sweaty. She's a little sweaty.
She's sparkling.
Yeah. Although didn't you just sign up for some Italian classes?
I did, yeah. 10-week program.
That is so fun.
And it's like all online, and I'll be studying Italian.
And
so
you'll be
that's
fluent
cool.
in Italian by next month.
Yeah, it's fun.
Well,
I hope to go to Italy.
Yeah.
Hopefully next year.
Hashtag same.
so do we
Maybe
actually.
springtime. Me and my best friend are like planning on going together and having
Love
like
that.
a fun trip for maybe like a month. So we'll see if that works out, but it'd be important to know Italian if I
That
was
is
gonna
actually
live
very
there
true.
for that long. So.
That would be so cool. I guess we'll just have to go visit her in Italy. Watermelon scented?
Are y'all sniffing glue?
Well, it's scented glue. It smells like watermelon. So
Okay.
that's really cool. So yeah, I just got all the basics that the kids need and a bunch of really cool items. I really like these cute little Sharpies that are all the colors. That's really cute. And a massive box here of mechanical pencils.
That's what-
And is it
Last
yours?
year, I kept losing my pencils, and I was
Oh,
Yeah, you
dang.
gotta take care of it. I'm
That's a
totally
lot of
not
pencils.
gonna-
That should last you a while.
so maybe a week or so.
Maybe a
How
week.
many are in here? This is 24 mechanical pencils. Do you think it'll last you a year?
I think that lasts him a month.
No, it won't.
Maybe the first month.
One a day, right?
Yeah.
Everybody at school loves mechanical pencils. So if you go, they're like, do you have
Can I
a
borrow
mechanical
your?
pencil?
Yeah.
They're all gonna be-
And then
yeah,
they
all
don't
the
give it
friends are
back.
gonna be taking all of them. Yeah,
Oh
that's
my
fun.
gosh.
Hey, sharing is caring though, so
Sharing is
that's
caring,
Or
Jude.
if they don't bring it back.
So we did have like a dual purpose for our trip to Walmart. We got all the back to school shopping done, but we also got stuff because we're all feeling really like nostalgic for fall. Like we know that school's starting back, so we're like, we're all wanting some chili and cornbread. Reese is asking for it, and we're like, that sounds so good. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna crank the AC down like really cold, and we're gonna get some blankets to wrap around.
Pretend like it's cold outside, guys.
It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna make some chili and cornbread and just have, you know, a nice warm, you know, relaxing
Cozy evening.
Right,
I'm
you know,
so
we've
ready
got
for cozy evenings.
Me too. And we got a couple days before school starts. Let's just you
Getting
know,
close, guys.
enjoy these.
I think I'm more nervous than the kids are. I'm like so excited for them, but a little nervous. And like, especially as kids like get into high school and it's like
Oh,
their first year, you just want everything to go really well. So
Looks like somebody broke.
yeah.
Looks like somebody broke into the school supplies a little early.
Well, I actually did get some extra crayons for him because this is like
Aw.
his favorite thing lately is to color with
Yeah.
crayons and colored pencils.
Seriously.
So I'm
Between
gonna put
that and
together-
books, he's like obsessed.
I know. So I'm gonna put together like a really cute little coloring station for him that he
I
can
love
do.
it.
I think probably when he comes home from school every day, it'll be lunchtime and we can do some coloring, eat some lunch together, and then probably still do nap time because he does get really tired in the
Yes.
evenings. But he definitely loves to color, so I want to have like something really cute put
Yeah.
together for him. Yeah. And maybe for his birthday, we can get some like really cute coloring stuff because
Absolutely.
that would be something he would really enjoy.
He's like, are there any more?
They're all gone. They're all right there. We got every single one of them.
Oh my
All the colors together. You're going into first grade, bud. Are you going to be in first grade?
I can hardly believe it,
You're going to be
man.
a big boy. We did order his backpack, so I think it comes in tomorrow.
Yeah.
I saw one that I really liked online, so we're waiting for that one to come in because it wasn't in store today, but it should be here soon, so we'll have it before school.
Yeah.
And he's gonna be in first grade! Are you excited to see your teachers? Hey, we're gonna have so much fun. We have such nice teachers and
Yeah.
friends. It's gonna be so good.
And I get to meet my best friend.
Yeah, you get
I
to see your
know.
best friend. Clark.
Yeah, hi. Mwah. I'm so excited for you. Ethan's gonna be in third grade.
That is so insane.
Such a big boy. All of our kids are growing up.
One time. I already learned some multiplication. vacation in 2nd grade.
You did?
That's awesome, dude.
So then you're ready for 3rd
My
grade.
teacher said, Mom!
So give me your attention.
I know. He's like, no, you focus on me.
Yeah.
So you are already ready because you already did some multiplication.
I love it, dude.
That's exciting.
You wanna help me make some chili, Jude?
No, I'd rather watch.
You wanna help me make some chili?
Sure.
Okay.
I think the boys were actually gonna help me with the cornbread because that's
Because we like
your
that.
favorite part.
Heck yeah. That's okay.
Cornbread and chili, yeah, together.
Cornbread and chili together is so good.
Especially your chili.
Yeah.
That was literally like my favorite thing in the entire school.
All you guys, you know, you're making your pappy.
Scared of math.
You're making your pappy proud. My dad's a math teacher.
I know.
So,
And Steven and I both loved math too, actually. That was like our favorite subject, so.
I
Yeah.
didn't like
You said you were
math.
good at math.
No, I'm not good at math.
You said you were good.
I did well in math because
Yeah.
I worked hard, not because I liked it.
Okay, but you did well. You were good in
He's
math.
so well.
And I liked it.
They're so good that they made me like it, which is really hard to do.
I'm so proud of him.
I am 100% artist, historian, writer, English guy. It's all the arts for me. So history was my number one. I love history. I'm a history fanatic. What are you doing, you crazy boy? You're so silly.
Cooking dinner tonight. Whew, it's gonna be good.
Mr.'s good lookings are cookings.
Mr. Good Lookings are cookings.
Mr.'s good looking.
Mr.'s Good Looking, yeah, I guess that's correct. Steven just said that this is his signature move.
Salting things.
He said, you want to get me grinding it?
Signature move.
That's my signature move.
Always wash your hands whenever you're done cracking eggs.
That's right. Good job.
Because if you don't,
You might get sick.
yeah.
Might get salmonella, huh?
First time cracking an egg.
That wasn't your first time. You've done it a few more times
But
before.
my first time cracking 3 eggs.
First time cracking 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Well, you did a good job. You guys are so cute. Alright guys, so the chili is simmering and the cornbread is in the oven. Miss Penelope's heading out to see her
Hi.
friend that lives down the street. Are you gonna just go hang for a little bit?
We're gonna go to a walk.
We'll call out the door when the chili's done. We'll say, Penny, chili's ready.
Okay. I will take that. Yeah, I will
You'll
take
come
that.
running. Hey guys, how's it going up here?
Good.
Can you smell the chili from downstairs?
I actually can.
You can? Yeah. It's gonna be so good. We have the cornbread in the oven. The chili is simmering, so it's gonna be ready soon for dinner. And then we're gonna do movie night tonight. Does that sound good? But how are you feeling about back to school?
I'm actually very excited because I like the productivity of school.
You like the routine and all of that? So do I. So do I. You don't like routine?
I remember last year, after like a month of doing the same thing every day. I was like, oh my gosh.
But you know what's gonna be fun is Jude's wanting to try out for,
I'm excited. That might get me out of it a little bit.
yeah.
Routine.
What are you wanting to try out for though?
A lot, I guess. Basketball mostly.
Basketball, yeah.
I feel.
you guys don't know, Jude is actually an excellent basketball player, and we missed tryouts last year, but he's definitely not gonna miss them this year, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
I definitely think he's gonna be making the team because he's very, very talented. And Kira is wanting to get more into music, and she used to take violin lessons, but you were saying piano now?
I want to do piano and guitar. And
Yeah.
then in the future, maybe violin.
Maybe
But
some more
actually
violin.
drums before.
Yeah, you take after Daddy. She's very, very gifted musically and vocally. She's an amazing vocalist, and so I know you guys have heard some sneak peeks here and there, but she's extremely talented, and so she really is. She's also very modest, but it's gonna be so nice to have our piano back in the house once the
I'm
house is
so
built.
excited for that.
We have a very special spot for it in the living room, and so it's gonna be so good to have the piano. And then Penelope and Liam are getting back into Taekwondo, so we're gonna have some activities for each of the kids. And Ethan's actually talking about wanting to maybe go out for soccer, so we'll see. Everyone's kind of deciding what they want to do this year, but we want to have each of the kids in at least one activity or music or something like that, so that'll be good. Linky's still coloring away. Look at that, that's a beautiful picture, Lincoln. You're doing a good job. Is the food, you know what, dinner's not quite ready yet, but it's getting there. It smells delightful, babe.
It does. I just put the lid on.
Let it
put it
kind
on
of
low
simmer.
so it can kind of get
Perfect.
those juices, those flavors.
Linky, it's almost ready, buddy. He's like, please feed me. Linky goes, really hot too.
All the stringy cheese. Oh my gosh.
I put a lot of cheese in mine.
Oh my gosh, dude. That is wild. Family movie night, guys. Nothing is quite like having chili and a family movie night.
Yeah,
just
it's like
kinda
one of our favorites. for
rounds
sure.
things out. We're just, sucking the marrow out of life these last couple of days before school starts back,
And we're all incredibly boring.
we're all
the
really
kids went back
full
for seconds.
and really tired and just vegging out. It's
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, all the
Right,
kids
right.
did go back for seconds. I was like, this makes me so happy. It makes me
Yeah.
so proud.
It
Like,
was delicious, babe.
I'm
really
thankful.
good.
Your cornbread, I had a bite of it as well.
I-
It was delightfully good.
Well, my cornbread was from like a prepackaged thing, or whatever. Like I guess we mixed in the eggs.
That's okay.
Yeah, like, but his is from scratch, and I know y'all guys know he did a video because I
The
know a lot of
chili
people are gonna ask
cake.
for the recipe. A lot of you guys, anytime we do stuff, y'all guys ask for the
Every-
recipe. He's a really good cook, so I totally understand that. But he did do a video with the full recipe on his personal channel on Stephen Miller. This is couple years back, back when we lived in San Antonio, and it had a little twist to it. He was in character, and it was hilarious.
It's pretty funny.
But he shows the chili over there, so if you want the recipe, you can easily find it over on his personal channel. So
Anyway.
I'll just put that in there, because that was a really hilarious one.
Nice little plug for the channel.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on doing that, but it's like a really great video if you want to learn how to make his chili. So
Well, thank you.
yeah.
We are going to close this out so we can watch
Yep.
this movie because it's hilarious already, and
Yep.
I think everyone's pretty excited about watching it. We've been wanting to see it for a long time, and
Well,
so,
the movie is The Rise of Gru, the
Yeah.
new Minions movie. So
which is like one of our favorite. All the Despicable Me movies are like our favorite
I
movies.
love
We
them.
love them. So.
Steve Carell is hilarious, and so yeah, definitely gonna be
Yeah.
a fun one.
Anyway, we love you guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will